Namaskara, I am Dr. Kishan Chandra. Today, again I want to discuss to you about VAM. Lot of farmers has asked me the question when they are using the VAM, whether they can use the other fertilizers, other of my product like your Kavach, Gadha Gaumutra or any other product. So simple line I can say, you can use any product along with that, but when you are going to use it, you can mix all together and use it. It is a no harm, no side effect to it. And VAM, one thing, when you are mixing with the VAM, our target is VAM. Along with that, if you are mixing NWDC or Gadha Gaumutra or anything, you can fix your ratio 10%, 20% according to your choice. So when you are using the VAM in the deep irrigation or flood irrigation, just it makes the network, and whatever nutrition you are giving that I have already mentioned, it is make it easy form to reach to the our plants. That is the major work of this. And second thing, many disease, soil-borne disease is controlled by this VAM. Some I have already told, nematode, mites, your soil-borne disease, that is bacterial disease. Sometimes you have seen, you have put the plant, it has its root became rotten, so that also it will control. Its plant became dead, so that also it controls. That is many diseases, about 90% of the diseases, it kills at the site there itself. And control will be slow. When you are giving the VAM first time, it will start making network. Second time, third time, about 6 to 7 times when you have used, it network will be fully covered in the field, and many disease it will not allow. It will kill at site there itself. So this is the biggest advantage of VAM. So when any soil-borne disease starts, it will be not. Your whatever seeds you are putting, that also it will protect. It will not allow any your bacterial or anything to destroy it. So this is the beauty of the VAM. And continuous use. Some farmers ask me how many days we have to use. It is up to you. After some time, you are able to see the VAM on your field itself. At that time you can make it. But giving continuously, no harm. You can give it 5 times, 6 times, 7 times, 10 times, or at least twice in a year. First you have to make the network, then twice in a year is enough. Or every crop you can give this. If you are a perennial crop, then you once in a year you have to give. First you give that frequently, every 6 months, then you can reduce yearly. So this makes the network. Only the precaution is when you are using the mercury chemical or DDT, that causes the toxicity and it kills the even VAM. So that you have to avoid. But any other chemical, whatever recommended by the companies, whatever available in the market, you can use it. It has no side effect on it. I believe you will use it and you will get back to me or your response. And because response is visible after 30 days in the field, 30 days to 60 days is a booming time for this VAM in any crop. So that you can measure and see that magical changes is going to happen in your field. Thank you very much.